Welcome back. Ever wish for thicker, healthier hair? Most of us do, and we often reach for pricey products. But what if the real secret is in your kitchen? Today we're revealing 9 iron-rich superfoods that can boost hair growth. Your hair follicles need a steady supply of nutrients, and iron is crucial for delivering oxygen to them. When iron is low, your body prioritizes vital organs, leaving hair follicles deprived, leading to shedding. If you're seeing more hair in your brush, it could be an iron issue, not just stress or genetics. The fix? Often, it's as simple as changing what you eat. We'll cover both animal and plant-based options, so there's something for everyone. Let's dive in. First up, spinach, the classic green powerhouse. Spinach is loaded with iron, vitamin A, folate, and vitamin C, all essential for hair health. Iron in spinach is non-heme, but vitamin C in the same leaves helps your body absorb it better. Folate supports cell growth, keeping hair vibrant and strong. Vitamin A helps your scalp produce sebum, preventing dryness and breakage. Pair spinach with citrus or bell peppers for even more iron absorption. It's easy to add to smoothies, salads, or sautéed dishes. Spinach is a simple, effective way to start eating for better hair. Try tossing it into your morning smoothie or as a salad base. Sauté with garlic for a quick side, or mix it into soups and stews for a nutrient boost. However you use it, spinach is a must for hair health. Make it a staple in your weekly meals. Next, let's talk lentils, a plant-based iron and protein superstar. 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you over 1/3 of your daily iron needs. Pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like lemon or bell peppers to boost absorption. Lentils are also packed with protein, the building block of strong hair. Folate in lentils supports healthy cell growth and red blood cell production. Their fiber helps your gut absorb nutrients more efficiently. Lentils are affordable, versatile, and easy to add to soups, salads, or veggie burgers. Try a lentil salad with fresh veggies and a squeeze of lemon. Or make a hearty lentil soup for a comforting meal. Lentils are a budget-friendly way to support hair growth. Add them to your routine a few times a week. Your hair will thank you. For meat eaters, red meat is a top source of heme iron, easily absorbed by your body. Lean beef or lamb delivers iron and complete protein, both vital for hair strength. Red meat also provides zinc and vitamin B12, supporting hair growth and scalp health. If you're low on iron or have thinning hair, a small serving of lean red meat a couple of times a week can help. Remember, moderation is key. Choose lean cuts and avoid making it the main event every meal. Think of red meat as a targeted supplement, not a daily staple. A palm-sized portion is enough to boost your iron levels. Pair with veggies for a balanced meal. This simple addition can make a big difference for your hair. Use it wisely for maximum benefit. Need a snack that supports hair health? Try pumpkin seeds. Just a 1/4 cup gives you over 2 milligrams of iron, plus a hefty dose of zinc. Zinc is crucial for hair growth and repair. Deficiency can lead to shedding. Pumpkin seeds also offer magnesium, manganese, healthy fats, and protein. Pair them with vitamin C-rich fruit for better iron absorption. Sprinkle on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, or enjoy by the handful. They're easy to keep at your desk or toss into recipes. Pumpkin seeds are a small snack with a big impact. Add them to sauces or pesto for a nutrient boost. They're a simple way to support your hair every day. Make them your go-to snack for healthy hair. Quinoa is more than a trendy grain. It's a complete protein and a solid iron source. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides nearly 3 milligrams of iron. Its complete amino acid profile helps build strong hair. Quinoa is also rich in folate, magnesium, and manganese, key nutrients for hair growth. It's naturally gluten-free and high in fiber, supporting gut health and nutrient absorption. Use quinoa as a base for salads, grain bowls, or even breakfast porridge. Pair with vitamin C-rich veggies for maximum iron absorption. Its mild flavor fits both sweet and savory dishes. Quinoa is a versatile, nutrient-packed addition to your hair-healthy diet. Make it a regular part of your meals. Tofu is a plant-based powerhouse, rich in iron, complete protein, and versatile for any meal. Half a cup of tofu can deliver over 3 milligrams of iron. Pair tofu with vitamin C-rich veggies in stir-fries for better absorption. Tofu's complete protein supports keratin production for strong hair. It also contains isoflavones, which may benefit hair growth. Tofu provides calcium, manganese, and selenium, important for hair and scalp health. Use silken tofu in smoothies or desserts, and firm tofu for grilling or stir-frying. Crumble it into sauces or tacos for a protein boost. Tofu adapts to any cuisine, making it easy to eat regularly. It's a must-have for plant-based or flexitarian diets. Add tofu to your weekly menu for stronger, healthier hair. Experiment with different textures and recipes. Broccoli isn't just about iron. It's a vitamin C powerhouse that helps your body absorb iron from other foods. Pair broccoli with lentils, spinach, or quinoa to maximize iron uptake. It's also rich in folate, vitamin A, and antioxidants like sulforaphane, which support scalp health and reduce inflammation. Broccoli contains calcium and silica, which may improve hair strength and elasticity. Enjoy it steamed, roasted, or raw in salads. Even the stalks are nutritious. Just peel and slice. Add broccoli to your regular rotation for a simple hair health boost. It's easy to prepare and pairs well with many dishes. Use it as a side or mix into grain bowls. Broccoli is a true team player for your hair. Good news, dark chocolate can actually help your hair. A square of high cacao dark chocolate, 70% or higher, provides over 3 milligrams of iron. It's also packed with antioxidants that protect hair follicles from damage. Flavonoids in dark chocolate may improve scalp circulation, delivering more nutrients to your hair. Dark chocolate contains copper, zinc, and manganese, minerals that support hair growth and color. Choose high-quality, low-sugar dark chocolate for the best benefits. Enjoy a small piece after a vitamin C-rich meal for optimal absorption. It's a delicious way to supplement your iron intake. Indulge wisely. Just a square or two is enough. Treat yourself and your hair at the same time. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are a plant-based iron and protein powerhouse. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas delivers nearly 5 milligrams of iron. Hummus is a perfect way to enjoy chickpeas. Lemon juice adds vitamin C for better iron absorption. Chickpeas are rich in protein, complex carbs, manganese, folate, and zinc, all vital for hair growth. Zinc supports protein synthesis and scalp health, helping prevent hair shedding. Add chickpeas to salads, soups, or roast them for a crunchy snack. They're easy to find canned or dry, and simple to prepare. Chickpeas are a versatile, affordable way to boost your hair health. Try them in falafel, grain bowls, or as a salad topper. They fit into any meal plan. Make chickpeas a regular part of your diet for stronger hair. There you have it, 9 iron-rich superfoods to help you grow stronger, healthier hair. From spinach and lentils to dark chocolate, these foods deliver the nutrients your hair needs. Remember to pair plant-based iron with vitamin C for best absorption. Small, consistent changes in your diet can lead to big results over time. If you're experiencing severe hair loss, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more health tips. Stay healthy, and see you next time.